I wanted to share the book I'm reading because Beth Moore literally is one of those women who has helped me transform my entire life. And I needed neatness from God. What I got was a tangled up knot. Beth Moore, this is her memoir. And so if you know of her, she's a teacher, Bible teacher, and I have done every single one of her in-depth Bible studies in Indonesia. So I'll share a little bit about that. So when I was living in Indonesia, here are a group of us, my really close friends. We all we did the Beth Moore Bible studies in Indonesia together. I would lead them in my house. Here is a beautiful group, and if you can spot Beth Moore right here, and can you spot me? Yeah, right next to Beth. Here's a lovely friend of mine, Lisa Jones, who lives in Australia. Beautiful group. We went to Israel for Beth's filming of Jesus the One and Only, and we were able, she called us our Indonesian group. And yeah, a lot of great funny stories, but I just wanted to show that, yeah, definitely Beth Moore has made a strong impact on my life. I can say I've met her, I have spoken with Beth Moore. So to read her story now all put together in a book like this is just so good. It's so good. So if you're another fan of Beth Moore, you might want to grab her book. I'm reading it. I might talk about it on my podcast. If you're interested in my podcast, is Life is a Treasure. So yeah, I want to show you a few little pictures of Beth. Oh my gosh, so cute at 9 months. Anyway, I love that she also includes some cute photos and helps us get visuals to the people she's spoken about all. I've been following Beth now since the 90s. So anyway, just wanted to share that little treasure of mine right now. If you have a sweet tooth like me and would love to have cheesecake after every meal, then I'm gonna hook you up with a relatively healthier option. So it started off where I bought the whole pie shell, but then I eat the whole pie. So I found these little Keebler mini graham pie crust, and I take these and I take a spoon And you get a lot in here, and it's very inexpensive. So if you have kids, this is a great little after-school snack. So you take it, and then you just scoop out whatever. This is my favorite yogurt. My favorite is key lime and strawberry banana. And I'm going to put some fresh, you know, that kind of thing. I do water and ice in there, but hello, what you looking for? Yes, he thinks he can help himself to the stuff. Okay, so back to this. I just take a spoon and I scoop out the yogurt in here, and I make it really pretty, and then you can garnish it with that and put it in the fridge. Don't put it in the freezer. I do not recommend that. I messed them up, but definitely I have also put little slices of strawberry or banana at the bottom. So just make your own kind of Chobani flip. Very more. Also, instead of the little individuals, if you want to save money, I buy the big one, and then I just scoop out what I want in them. So you can add your own, like almond or vanilla oil. Also, I'm loving the lemon flavored almonds and just all the different covered almonds in my cookie jar. And these are also some of my favorite bars. Quest bars I love because they're not so chewy, they hurt my jaw. And these are the birthday cake. I also like the lemon, let me see, lemon cake. I love cake and cookies, as you can tell. Chocolate chip cookie dough. And another favorite of mine is this bulletproof one. But just a little sneak peek. I would love your ideas because I need healthier options in my life as I'm in my 50s and gotta stay in shape for this little guy. Also, every morning, a little pair of crested titmouse, they come and they're building a nest in this little house. So they bring in their little feathers and sticks and stuff, and yeah, they're building a house. So hopefully we can have a little bird watch going on as they raise some little baby birds in here. I'll keep you guys updated.
How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes.
Here it is. Here is my little setup. I use GarageBand. I started off with a more intense program, and I have now just downgraded to GarageBand. Absolutely love it. My good old Blue Yeti. I also have a Samson mic I absolutely love. These have been with me from the beginning, as you can see, and I love my headphone set so much. I did replace these, but if you have any tips, I feel like I must need to replace my headsets. I don't know which ones to get. But anyway, so I'm gonna sit down, gonna record my podcast. I'll see you in a bit. Just wanted to show off my plant. It's looking so pretty and good. I just love the beautiful deep green on them. And I wanted to introduce you to my new baby. I call her Jenny, and my dogs are very jealous. They think there's a Jenny outside. But she's a beautiful plant that was supposed to be outside. But when I put her in this pot, I fell in love with her. And I was like, you know, I think I need you in my office. And here's my little garden. I was gonna plant my garden, and then I turned my garden into a bird sanctuary, bird park. Instead, I will give you a glimpse of that a little bit later in the video. I have a ficus tree, and they just take forever to grow. It hates when I move him. He's just so finicky, but there he is. And I just wanted to show this little beauty. She's so pretty. Do you have one of these, or do you know anything about them? I know they're very aggressive. They will take over. and they like to creep. So I just kind of want it to be going all the way down. Also, look at my Christmas cactus. I had it outside for a while, and obviously it loved it. You know, I'd bring it in when it got really cold at night. You probably saw it in the past videos, and it looks like it wanted to bloom. So I would love that. But anyway, it's looking really pretty. Okay, I got a dog sniffing me. Here, who is it? What do you want? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Hey, Zeke. Just want to protect my mommy. Okay, he's a good boy. I guess the video turned into a houseplant tour. But look at the orchids. I wanted to just show you. They're looking so pretty, and I was kind of late to sharing them with you because some are already dying. But anyway, they're still beautiful, and the sun's behind, so it's kind of hard to show you. Let me try. Let's see. So this one still has a bud, which is great. It's beautiful, yellow and purple.
I saw the ending before the movie was done. I got thick skin because I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, when heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting, right? But cowgirls don't cry. Ooh. I saw the red flags before giving you a chance. I said no, I turned you down before we even got to dance. I have demons that I don't really show. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright.
I am so excited to receive this book. Thank you so much, Joy. I have been waiting for it, and it's in my hands. Crack Your Good Girl Code, Secrets to Reclaiming Your Feminine Power. And this book is written by a very new friend of mine, Joy Balma. And we met via Zoom because she lives in Florida and I live in Austin, Texas. And here she is, beautiful inside and out, Joy Balma. And she is an expert at what she does. So she helps people, women, determine what good girl type are you. The pleaser, the fixer, the peacekeeper, the perfectionist. It's time to stop playing small. So she talks about how our good girl virtues can also sabotage us and our relationships. So I love this book, how she has written it, and just put together such an awesome manual, I call it. Blessed to know you, Joy. Oh, how sweet. I am so blessed to know Joy as well. And I know you will be blessed to meet her. She is an amazingly wise woman. We have chatted for a few times and just heart to heart. And we also, just kind of went over a lot of these things that she wrote about. I love that she includes a lot of assessments and questionnaires in the book and goes through each one like the people pleaser. That's me. That was me. I'm definitely struggling and getting over that. Working every day on that and knowing that I am worthy even if I'm not pleasing other people. And so I only need to please one person, the person who created me to do what I'm here to do. And I can tell you Joy is definitely doing what she was here to do. And she also has a program going on right now and she has openings, so definitely check it out. So up here on the tree I have a bluebird house. They've actually do use it. I just had 3 pairs out here just a minute ago. Tried to get them in the footage, but they flew away when they saw me.
A spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner.
Just like a kid, as soon as I'm trying to film the little bird for you guys, he took off, went to the road. Now he's sad, Budayan. There he is. So he comes with some material or whatever up in the tree. And he's gonna come over here by me and go in the box. Hold on, you guys, hold on. Zeke's on guard. Good boy, Zeke. Amazon just got here. Open this up and see what we got.
There is no
If you're trying to attract birds into your yard, it's not difficult. Basically, you just want to feed them what they eat. So, you're just starting out. I would suggest, sorry, the sun is really bright. Okay, I would suggest a mix such as this, which is just a mix of black oil sunflower, striped sunflower seeds, millet. Okay, I don't like the orange ones, but the rabbits actually love them, and the deers, and the corn, the deer. Ooh, I wish. Deer do love them, but Zeke would chase the deer away, I promise. But anyway, the rabbits love those. And so I always dump the extras they don't eat on the ground, and the rabbits can eat them every day. Okay, and if you're trying to attract those goldfinches, like those gold and black ones you see I'll have in my videos, that would be our Niger seeds. So these are Niger seeds, and the goldfinch do like that. So I mix it. Here's some black oil and Niger. Another little look here. I have my sage plant still there. Few things made it, but not many. I transplanted those. Just playing around right now until I figure out what I'm really doing here. So this is what happens. The wind just keeps blowing that butterfly house around, but I like it. So I'm gonna go hang this one, my new one, in the front on the oak tree, and I'm gonna thank you so much for joining me today. You see Zeke in the background. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me. I so enjoy bringing you along. For that, if you like that kind of gardening stuff, nature, birds, squirrels, road runners, all those type of things, that's what I show on this channel. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. I also have a podcast. As you saw, I was recording my podcast episode for the week, and that is Life is a Treasure. And I also wanted to just say that thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber on my channel, it means the world to me. I saw I have a few new ones, so welcome, welcome, welcome. Please say hi, let us know where you're watching from. And the spring decor. So in the next coming weeks, I'm going to be filming that, the Decorate With Me spring home tour, more of the little sprouts in the gardens, and orchid updates. Other little, I hope if you try those little graham cracker yogurt treats, let me know. I would love to hear if you tried it. And just wanted to come out here and just end this video with the silence. I believe it's healing to our souls. I want you to know that whatever you're going through, remember, this too shall pass. And that is one of those statements that I had to write down and read every single day, sometimes many times a day, because during the hard struggles in my life, that's all I had to hold on to, was that this too shall pass. Even through anxiety, it's like this too shall pass. And I want you to know that you're never going through anything that is too hard for you. Everything on your path and journey is meant for you. It's meant for you to learn a lesson. It's meant for you to heal and grow, and then help others. And that's what you want to do. I know that you want to heal. So I just like to always include a little silence, and I might just walk through. You know, we had a freeze storm. We've been cutting a lot of trees down. But I honestly think it looks better. So same with us. When we go through storms, we get back up again. We get stronger. We get better. We get wiser. And we're able to love more. And so you can hear more on my podcast episodes. It's Life as a Treasure podcast. Right now, I'm just going to be quiet. Let nature speak to your soul. Thank you for joining me. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.